So welcome back to this new video. So in the last class we have seen the complete exercise 1.1. We have solved each and every question, and there were few homework questions, and I am happy that you people have solved. uh, so without any further delay, let's continue to this topic. And today's new concept is what we have is the arc length and the area of sector. So we have already discussed that what do you mean by arc. Okay, suppose we have this circle. Okay, and let's say this is what we have is the center, and this is the radius. This is the radius, and suppose this is another radius. Okay, so this part of the circle, okay, so this much part of the circle, if I extend this much part of the circle is known as arc of this circle. Okay, so it is the arc. So while looking at the definition of radian, 1 radian, okay, we have seen what is the arc. Okay, so anybody tell me what is radian? What is a radian? So 1 radian means what? It's the arc length should be r again. Okay, if suppose this is the angle theta and this is the radian, and if this arc length is also the radius, same is equal to the radius, then the angle subtended by this another, let's say it's another vector, okay, that becomes the single radian. So this is my arc now. I hope you remember that. Okay, suppose this is point O, this is A, and this is B. 1 radian means what I told. If I rotate the OA in the clockwise or anti-clockwise directions by r length, okay, if suppose this arc length becomes r and radius pan r and arc length pan r, then the angle subtended here becomes 1 radian. Okay, this was the definition of the radian we have seen. Okay, now in this class we will be looking at how to get the arc length, for any subtended angle at the center. बघा इथे, tell me what will be the arc length if the theta is complete 360 degree. What will be the arc length? Arc means what? This is the length. Complete 360 degree means what? OA I have rotated, complete rotation I have done for the OA. म्हणजे इथून चालू केला आणि I stopped here, means what? It is a 360 degree I am covering. So in that case what will be the arc length? म्हणजे हे असं पूर्ण हे एवढं सगळं माझं आर्क येईल पूर्ण. In that case what will be the arc length? इधर से start होगा and this will continue here. Now what is this arc length total? Anybody?
Circumference.
Exactly, it's a circumference of the circle. Okay, and at that time what was the angle subtended is 360 degrees. That can also be written as 2 pi radian. Okay, so means what? Suppose I have the angle subtended as a 2 pi radian. In that case my arc length becomes what is 2 pi r. My arc length becomes 2 pi r. Are you getting?
Oh sir. Oh sir.
Okay.
Oh sir.
Yes. So if suppose I want to find out the arc length, this much arc length, हे एवढा arc length काढायचं. Now angle subtended is how much? It's a theta radian. Okay, and I want to find out the arc length, so which is x. It's a simple proportional relation we have. 2 pi radian असेल तर 2 pi r झाला, and theta radian असेल तर तो x आहे, and this x is nothing but the length of arc. Okay, so this is nothing but arc length. Okay, so arc length कितना हो गया? So we'll represent it like this, length of arc. This is equals to किती येलो? It is a 2 pi r into theta upon 2 pi. Okay, so this 2 pi gets cancelled and it is equals to r into theta, and arc length is denoted by capital S. Okay, so make a note of this formula. What is this? The arc length for any angle subtended at the center is denoted by S, and it is given by S is equals to r into theta. And please make note that theta is always in the radian, it's not in a degree, it's in the radian. Okay, let's take one simple example, you will understand. What is the arc length if the angle subtended here is a 30 degree? Okay, so example is what? If suppose I have the circle of radius, let's say 6 units, I have a circle of radius 6 units and angle subtended at the center is nothing but 30 degree. Now find the arc length. Okay, what will be the figure in that case? Suppose this is the circle we have, इसका रेडियस कितना है?
6 units.
6 units is the radius. Okay, so let's take this as a center. This radius is 6 unit and theta they have given as a 30 degree. Okay, so let's take this as a 30 degree. Now I want to find out this arc length, this much length I want to find out. This length is given by S is equals to how much? It's r into theta. Is it okay? So S is equals to r into theta. Let's substitute the values here. S is equals to r into theta, and theta should be in the radian. So r is 6 units and theta is 30 degree. So radian कितना हो गया ये? Pi by 6. So 6 gets cancelled. So this is nothing but pi units. If this 6 is in centimeter, हा arc length will be in the centimeter. Arc length म्हणजे काय हो? हा this is nothing but the length only. Okay, हा curve आहे म्हणून ह्याला arc म्हणलंय, बाकी काही नाही. This is a curve, that's why it is named as a arc. Is it okay?
Sir,
हा
हा हे पाय परत डिग्रीत कन्वर्ट नाही करायचं ना?
नाही, this is what is the value of pi? It is 3.14 units. The value of pi is 3.14. When you say it's in the radian, okay, when you convert it into degree, what happens? It becomes 180 degree. Okay, so pi ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे? इट्स अ 3.14 युनिट्स. बघा ना, लेंथ डिग्री मध्ये नसतं ना, लेंथ हे युनिट मध्ये असतं, त्याच्यामुळे आपण ह्याला डिग्रीत नाही करत आहे कन्वर्ट. Next is example. Suppose I have the theta subtended at the center is 60 degree and the arc length is, suppose I have 2 units. Okay, arc length I have 2 units. Can you give me the radius of the circle? Of course. Now in this case, what will be the figure is? Okay, so this is center and this is what we have the radius, which is unknown. Now this time the theta is 60 degree. So let's take theta as a 60 degree. Okay, and arc length is also given, which is 2 units. So arc length means what? This much part they have given. So this is nothing but S is equals to 2 units they have given. Okay, now we want to find out the value of R. So काय करणार? We know the relation between r and theta and s, which is r into theta. So r I don't know, so r becomes s by theta. So s is nothing but 2 units divided by theta is how much? It's a 60 degree, so it becomes pi by 3. So this becomes 6 by pi. So 6 by pi is what? It's a units in the radius. It is the radius of the given circle. I hope you are getting this. Is it okay?
हो सर. हो सर.
Great. Okay, so this is what first part of this today's lesson, that is the arc length. Now let's see what is the area of a sector. Best, it's very very simple, don't worry, it's very simple. Area of sector. What do you mean by sector? Same hai. Once you understand the arc length na, this area of sector is again, it is on the same line. See here, if suppose this is the radius center, and suppose this is the radius, we have r, and I don't know the value of theta, so let's this is be theta, and of course this is again my r. Now sector is what? This portion becomes the sector. ये इतना जो पोर्शन है अपना, this becomes my sector. This is what the sector is. Now we want to find out area of this sector. कसं काढणार? How you will find out? If you understood how we found out the arc length, you can easily give me the answer for this area of sector. This is what we have the sector. Okay. Tell me what will be the area of a sector when theta is 360 degree. If theta is 360 degree, what will be the area of sector? Sector means what? It's a part of a circle. It could be the part of circle or it could be the whole circle. See, this whole circle is also itself a sector. If theta is equals to 360 degree I take, then what will be the area?
Area of circle.
It's a area of circle only. That's great. Okay, means what? If I have theta is equals to 360 degree, my sector becomes what? Whole circle. It's a complete circle. It's a complete circle. And what is the area of a circle? Pi r square. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now if I have theta degree, 360 डिग्रीला complete circle pi r square होता. मग theta डिग्रीला किती असेल? Let's find out. Let's find out. So this is nothing but the area of sector. So area of sector is equals to how much? Theta into pi r square. Theta into pi r square divided by 360 degree. Okay. So this pi is in radian. This 360 degree is in degree, which is not allowed. So convert into radian everything. So it's a pi r square. 360 degree can be written as 2 pi. So this pi gets cancelled. So what is remaining? It's 1 by 2 theta r square. 1 by 2 theta r square. So this is what I get the area of a sector. Is it okay, everyone?
हो सर.
So do not try to mug up the formula. Understand it. Understand the way we have the relation between the area of sector and the arc length. Okay, see here. I will write both the formulas now. So area of a sector will denote it as like this. Area of sector, it is equals to 1 by 2 theta r square first, and the second one is arc length. So it's denoted by s, and it is equals to is how much? It's a r into theta. Okay, so these are the two most important formulas as far as your this second exercise is concerned, or this whole topic is concerned. Angle and measurement, very important. Now if I relate this area of sector and the arc length with the actual circle, what happens? Area of sector means what? Sector means what? Always remember, it's a part of a circle. It's a part of circle. Area of सॉरी सेक्टर मीन्स व्हॉट, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ अ सर्कल. रिमेंबर, जर पूर्ण सर्कल असला तर आय हॅव द एरिया लाईक दिस पाय आर स्क्वेअर, आणि जर पूर्ण सर्कल असला तर आर्क लेंथ किती होईल, इट्स अ 2 पाय आर. ओके, रिमेंबर दिस टू ऑल्सो. ह्याच्यावरून हे फॉर्म्युलेज आपण डिराईव्ह केले, डोंट फॉरगेट दॅट. ओके, नाव लेट्स हॅव simple questions which are there in your textbook. So let's take the first one. Any doubt till this time? No?
No, sir.
Okay. So let's have first question. The diameter of a circle is 14 centimeter. Okay, find the arc length subtending an angle of 54 degree at the center. First step is what? Write down the given information. What is given information? The diameter d is given, which is nothing but 14 centimeter. So what will be the radius? It's a 7 centimeter. Angle subtended at the center is denoted by theta, which is a 54 degree. They are asking for the length of arc. So length of arc is denoted by s. So step number 2 is what? Write down what they have asked and the required formula. So s is equals to r into theta. So write down. So r is how much? It's a 7 centimeter into theta is 54 degree. But what I told you that it should be in the radian. Okay, so 54 degree ला radian मध्ये कसं कन्वर्ट करता हो? Into pi by 180 into pi by 180. Is it okay?
हो सर.
ओके, तो देखो भाई क्या क्या कैंसिल हो सकता है यहाँ पे. देखो 3 1 3 8 त्रिक 24 3 संग 18. ओके, 3 संग 18 आणि 3 दोन्ही 26 आणि हे केले 10 आणि हे केले 3 बरोबर है ना. यस, 2 त्रिक 6 आणि यस. सो कितना आ गया ये फाइनली? 7 त्रिक 21 21 pi by 10. This is what we get the answer. It is 21 21 pi by 10. Is it okay everyone?
Yes, sir.
So it's a 21 pi by 10. Yes. So if you open this, so what is the value of pi we can take is 3.14. Okay, approximate जर केला त्याला, so you can get it's a 21 into 3 divided by 10. 3.14 असतं actually. This is what the exact value of our pi, 3.14. Okay, good. Let's take the next question. In the circle, okay, in a circle of radius 12 centimeter, okay, an arc PQ subtends an angle of 30 degree at the center. Okay, no problem. Find the area between the arc PQ and the chord PQ. Okay, good, very good question. See here, suppose I have this circle. This is what I have the center and this is the radius. How much radius they have given? It's a 12 centimeter. It's a 12. And arc PQ subtends an angle of 30 degree. मतलब ये यहाँ पे किधर तो 30 degree है. This is what we get, the 30 degree. And this arc length also they have given as the how much? Okay, they have not mentioned anything about this arc length. And if this is the point P, this becomes okay, the inner circle of radius and arc PQ. So this is, of course, we have the PQ, arc PQ. Find the area between the arc PQ and the chord PQ. Abhi chord PQ will be where? Yes, where will be the chord PQ lies? So this is what we have, the chord PQ. Is it visible everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now which area we want to find out? You want to find out the area between arc PQ and the chord PQ. मतलब हा जो आर्क आणि PQ आहे ह्यांच्या दोघांमधला हा एवढा एरिया मला फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. हाउ यू विल डू दिस? एंड आर्क PQ का लेंथ दिया है क्या? नहीं. द आर्क PQ दे हैव नॉट गिवन द लेंथ, बट वी कैन फाइंड आउट हाउ. Step number 1. What is given? The radius is nothing but 12 centimeter and theta is equals to 30 degree. Okay. Can you find out the arc length PQ? Yes. Can you find out the arc length PQ? Okay. First of all, understand how to get the area between these two. PQ straight line आणि PQ arc ह्या दोघांमधला एरिया कसा भेटणार आपल्याला? Means if I zoom it, this will look like this. Okay, suppose this is what we have the length PQ, हा P आहे आणि हा Q आहे. हा एवढा एरिया काढायचा आपल्याला. This much area I want to find out. See, if I take the complete area of the sector, means what? This whole part, हा पूर्ण एवढा पार्टचा समजा मी एरिया काढला आणि त्या एरियामधून somehow if I subtract the area of the triangle OPQ, if suppose I subtract this much angle, त्या complete मधून जर एवढा मी जर एरिया जर सबट्रॅक्ट केला तर मला हा एवढा एरिया भेटू शकतो का?
हो.
Okay, so this is what I am interested in. So हा एरिया मला पाहिजे. So let's write here that the area between arc PQ and segment PQ is equal to, yes, area of arc minus area of triangle. Is it okay?
हो.
What is the area of arc? त्याचं नाव काय आहे त्या आर्कचं? So
Area
this
of
is a
sector,
PQR.
sir.
Sorry?
Sector, no? Area of sector.
Sorry. Exactly. That's great. Area of sector. Thank you so much. Okay. So which sector we have? It's a POQ. Area of a sector. Okay, I will write like this. Area of sector POQ minus area of a triangle which is POQ. Is it okay? Yes, is it okay? Area of a sector
Yes, sir.
POQ minus area of a triangle POQ. Now can you give me the area of a sector POQ? ह्या POQ चा एरिया किती आहे? It's a 1/2 theta r square. Just now we have proved that 1/2 theta r square. Okay, so let's write that. So it's 1/2 theta into r square minus area of a triangle. How much? Area of a triangle is how much? Okay, so for that we should have, this is suppose height of this triangle. Let's take this as a M point. How you will get this height? PM. If this is the 12, how much this side OP will be?
12.
12 only. That's great. Okay. Now in this, if I use the sine theta, that is sine 30 degree is what? It's a always opposite divided by hypotenuse. It's a PM divided by hypotenuse is OP. Okay, so I want the distance PM. So PM length is equals to what? It's a sine 30 into OP. OP is how much? It's a 12. Sine 30 कितना रहता है? How much is the sine 30?
Half.
It's a 1/2. into 12 matlab is I am getting the PM as a 6 centimeter. Is it okay everyone? PM is equals to 6 centimeter. Sorry.
हो सर.
Once you get this PM, so what is the area of a triangle? It's a half into base into height. How much is the base? It's a 12. How much is the height? It's a 6. You can take base anything. You can take either this as a base. If you want to take this base, then you have to take the height with respect to OP. But we have the height with respect to OQ. That's why I have taken the base as a OQ. Okay, so let's rewrite this in terms of the generalization. 1 by 2 into OQ into PM, that is base into height. Okay, so R is how much? 12 centimeter. Theta is 30 degree. So let's substitute now. Into 30 matlab this is pi by 6 into R square, that is 12 square, minus 1 by 2. What is OQ? It is 12. And what is PM? It is a 6. Okay, now let's simplify this. This is equals to, see what all things I can take common. It's a 1 by 2 pi by 6 into 12 into 12, or if you don't want to take common, you can simplify here only, into 12 minus 1 by 2 into 12 into 6. Okay, हाँ फर्स्ट टर्म है, यहाँ सेकेंड टर्म है. ओके, सो क्या क्या हो गया बेटा? 6 6 दुनी 12, हे 12 ला 12 कॅन्सल झाले. सो दिस बिकम्स रिमेनिंग इज 12 पाय मायनस ये दिस गोज बाय 6, so it is 36. So what you have is 12 into 3.14 minus 36. So it is approximately equals to किती येईल? 12 चौक 48, 12 आणि हे 4, 16 6 कॅरी 1, 36 आणि 37 minus 36. So this is equals to how much you are getting is 1.68 centimeter square. Is it okay everyone? Is this simplification finds good?
हो सर.
Okay, so the area is how much? It's a 1.68. This much area. I hope the answer is correct. Okay, yes. So it's a somewhat, see here, it's a pi 12 pi minus 36. That is the same thing we got here, 12 pi minus 36. Okay, I have simplified it further. See, this is, if I take 12 common from this, what I will get is pi minus 3, the same thing. Is it okay everyone? So in this way we can find out the area of a sector and the area of the length of arc. Any doubt till this time? Yes please, any doubt?
No sir.
No doubts.
No,
You
sir.
should have यार, कुछ तो डाउट होना चाहिए ना, ऐसा कैसा? काहीच डाउट नाही म्हणजे कसं? हा बोला.
सर कालचं ते क्लॉकचं घेतलं ना, ते मला समजलं नाही. 1-2 गणित सोडून दाखवता का?
आता आज आता आपण सध्या आर्क लेंथ आणि हे सेक्टर चालू ना, आपण ह्याच्यावरती बोलूया आधी, मग नंतर मी तुम्हाला पर्सनली सांगतो मी तुम्हाला. ठीक आहे, क्लास झाल्यावरती थांबा एक थोडा वेळ, मग आपण सांगतो मी तुम्हाला. येस, एनी डाऊट हिअर इन दिस?
No, sir.
So can we proceed for the exercise 1.2?
Yes.
Yes sir.
Okay, so let me have new page so that it will be okay. Let it be. We'll continue here only. Exercise. कोण जॉइन झाला रे आता? Exercise 1.2. Okay. So let's see the first question. This, see, the questions are, so of course the remaining solved questions are for homework. Okay, all the questions are very simple. One and the same thing they have given. See, if I check this question number 3, what it is saying, The area of a circle is means that they have given as a pi r square value. Find the length of its arc subtending an angle of 120 degree. So 120 degree is nothing but it is 2 pi by 3. ओके, पाय आर स्क्वेअर दिले, ह्याच्यावरून तुम्हाला आरची व्हॅल्यू भेटेल, थिटाची व्हॅल्यू भेटली. वन्स यू गेट आर अँड थिटा यू कॅन फाइंड आउट एनिथिंग. कुठलाही सेक्टर असेल, कुठलाही आर्क लेंथ असेल, यू कॅन फाइंड आउट इझिली. इज इट ओके? सो प्लीज rewrite all these questions, that is the 3rd, 4th and 5th and 6th. Okay, is it okay? You take all these questions as homework. All the questions are solved and you will get the reference there. If you have any doubt in this, let's revisit these questions tomorrow. Let's continue the exercise 1.2. Let's take the first question. Simple one. Okay. Find the arc length of a circle which subtends an angle of 108 degree at the center if the radius of a circle is 15 centimeter. I hope you can do this now. It's very simple. Step number 1 is what? Write down the given information. Theta they have given as 108 degree and the radius of a circle is given as 15 centimeter. So first step is what? Write down the given information. Second step is what? Write down the required formula. So S is equals to R into theta. So how much R we have is 15 centimeter. Theta is what? It should be in the radian. So 108 radian मध्ये कसं कन्वर्ट करणार? So pi divided by 180. Is it okay? So it's a 5 3 15, 5 3 15 राहिले 3, 5 30. So 3 1 2. So 12. So further still you can simplify this. So it's your time to simplify this. So 108 pi by 12. It can be further simplified. It is the centimeter. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Great. Let's take the next question. We should not waste our time in simplifying the answers in the class. Okay. I want to focus more on the concepts rather than simplification. Okay. So question number 2 says that the radius of a circle is 9 centimeter. Find the length of arc. Okay. So find the length of arc मतलब S पूछा है. For this circle which cuts off the chord length equal to length of the radius. Oh yes, that's good question. See here, circle and we have the radius. Suppose this is what we have, the center, radius. बघा इथे radius किती आहे? 9 centimeter is the radius. Okay, find the length of arc of this circle which cuts off a chord of length equal to the length of the radius. म्हणजे काय? एक तुमच्याकडे आर्क आहे. You have one arc. Okay, you have one arc. Let's say this is arc which cuts the chord of the equal length of that of the radius. मतलब हा 9 सेंटीमीटर आहे, तर 9 सेंटीमीटरचाच तुम्हाला कॉर्ड घ्यायचा इकडे. म्हणजे हा पण 9 सेंटीमीटरचाच आहे. दिस इज व्हॉट वी हॅव दिस सेक्टर नाव. आय वॉन्ट टू फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ दिस सेक्टर. When this segment is also of 9 centimeter. Suppose this is point P, this is Q and this is O. This PQ segment is also 9 centimeter. Is it okay, everyone? PQ segment, okay, I am talking about segment, not the arc. समजते का?
हो.
Find the length of an arc. So find the length of the arc PQ of the circle which cuts off the chord of the length equal to the length of radius. मतलब हा जो chord आहे तो 9 सेंटीमीटरचाच आहे सर्कलच्या बरोबर. मग आता तुम्ही ह्याचा लेंथ कसा काढणार तुम्ही? See, what is given information? Step number 1 is what? The radius is only known 9 centimeter. आर्क लेंथ मतलब क्या है? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट एस इज इक्वल्स टू आर इंटू थीटा. आपके पास आर है बट वी डो नॉट हैव थीटा, देन हाउ वी विल फाइंड थीटा? You know this 9 centimeter, this is 9 centimeter and this is 9 centimeter. I want to find out this but I don't know the theta value. कैसा करोगे? Theta means what? The angle between OQ and OP. Yes? Any idea?
60 डिग्री
कसं?
इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल.
हाँ देखो भाई कितना सिंपल है. यहाँ पे ना उन्होंने सिर्फ है ना अपने को बुद्धू बनाया आहे. ठीक आहे. फक्त त्यांनी इथे गुगली टाकली आहे, त्यांनी काही नाही केलं इथे. बघा ना यार, सिंपल सिंपल आहे एकदम. OQ is what? It is the radius of the circle. Now what about the OP? Is this a radius of a same circle? Yes, it is also of 9 centimeter. हा 9 आहे आणि हा 9 आहे. आणि त्यांनी ऑलरेडी सांगितले की ही जी कॉर्ड आहे ही पण कॉर्ड 9 सेंटीमीटरची. सो व्हॉट हॅपन्स? 9 सेंटीमीटर, 9 सेंटीमीटर अँड 9 सेंटीमीटर. सो इट इज इक्विलॅटरल ट्रायंगल. अँड एनी इक्विलॅटरल ट्रायंगल, the internal angles will be of 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. देखो भाई, just they have given the angle indirectly which is of 60 degree. समझते का? So substitute the values here. So r is how much? It's a 9 centimeter. What is theta? It's a 60 degree, but I don't want in the degree, I want it is in the radian. So 3 3 no, so it is what we have the 3 pi. Are you getting? हो गया आंसर खत्म, फिनिश. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Perfect, perfect. Okay, now let's see the next one now. Okay, find the angle in a degrees subtended at the center of the circle. Okay. Let's write the given information. Find the angle in a degrees. So theta काढायचे, in a degrees निकालना है, theta degree subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is 15 centimeter. What information you get here is, काय दिले त्यांनी इथे? Whose arc length is of 15 centimeter means which parameter they have given? Ayo. Yes, exactly, yes. S they have given. If the radius of the circle is 25 centimeter. कितना straight forward question है. Okay, I will just rewrite this question and I will leave for you. Theta degree they have given S is equals to 15 centimeter. Okay, and the radius also they have given which is of 25 centimeter. विचारलंय काय? स्टेप नंबर 2 में पूछा क्या है? थीटा डिग्री पूछा है इन दी डिग्री. ओके, एंगल पूछा है इन द डिग्री. सो राइट डाउन दी formula. So S is equals to R into theta. Get the theta is equals to, it is S by R. Please solve this question. Everything is known now. S माहिती है, R माहिती है, you can easily find out theta. But the trick is what here? You will get some theta in the radian, but what I want it should be in the degree. वो थोड़ा सा आपको टेक केयर करना पड़ेगा. Is it okay?
हो सर.
Good.
हो सर.
Now let's see the next one. Question number 4th. Do you find I am moving bit fast or is it okay? बरोबर आहे का? थोडं स्पीड वाढवायची का कमी करायची?
बरोबर सर.
राउंड राउंड दोन फॉर्म्युले आहे. तो एक फॉर्म्युला आहे तुमचा एस इज इक्वल्स टू आर थिटा, दुसरा फॉर्म्युला तुमचा एरियाचा काय 1/2 थिटा आर स्क्वेअर. दोन फॉर्म्युल्यावरती सगळं खेळ चालू आहे आजचा. ओके, कुठल्याही दिलेल्या क्वेश्चनमध्ये जर आर्क विचारला तर हे दोन पॅरामीटर्स तुम्हाला पाहिजे. इन एनी क्वेश्चन इन दी थ्रू आउट दिस एक्सरसाइज यू विल गेट एनी 2 आउट ऑफ दिस 3 पॅरामीटर्स. एनी 2 पॅरामीटर्स यू विल गेट. आता ह्या क्वेश्चनमध्ये बघा त्यांनी एस आणि आर दिलाय, थिटा विचारलाय. आधीच्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये तुम्हाला आर आणि थिटा दिलं होतं, एस विचारला होता. आता असं होईल की एस आणि थिटा देतील, तुम्हाला आर विचारतील. काही 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 करू शकतात ते. ओके, सो डोंट वरी. लेट्स सी व्हॉट दे हॅव गिवन हिअर. A pendulum of length 14 centimeter oscillates through an angle of 18 degree. Find the length of its path. Okay, abhi first of all check how the pendulum looks. Suppose this is, we have the hinge, and suppose we have this, assume this is a pendulum. Okay, okay. पेंडुलम म्हणजे माहिती है ना, पेंडुलम मीन्स अभी पुराने ज़माने में वॉच रहते थे, अभी वो वॉच नहीं है. You will find this watch very क्या बोलते रेयर. हाँ, थैंक यू थैंक यू. ओके, तो 18 डिग्री है, ऑसिलेट्स थ्रू एन एंगल ऑफ 18 डिग्री, द पेंडुलम ऑफ लेंथ 14 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो इसका जो लेंथ दिया है वो 14 सेंटीमीटर है, एंड ऑसिलेट्स थ्रू एन एंगल ऑफ 18 डिग्री. फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ इट्स पाथ. ओके, मतलब क्या है, देखो पिक्चर, ये ऑसिलेट्स हो रहा है, मतलब ये ऐसा ऐसा मूव करेगा ये. गुड, ठीक है. एंड ये इधर रहेगा, एक बार इसका पोजीशन यहाँ पे रहेगा, एक बार इसका पोजीशन यहाँ पे रहेगा. ठीक आहे. वॉचमध्ये बघितलं असेल तुम्ही पेंडुलम. ओके, इथे वरती चिमणी असते एक छोटीशी. ओके, अज्यूम इट इज चिमणी. ओके, yes, गुड. को करता है वो 1 घंटे के बाद. ओके, सो 18 डिग्री is the angle. So how much angle is this? Is they have given is 18 degree. Arc length is a 14, sorry, this length is 14 degree. अरे यार, length is 14 centimeter and the angle is in 18 degree. Is it okay? डायग्राम क्लियर है सगळ्यांना?
हो सर.
परफेक्ट. अभी देखो भाई क्या पूछा है, अभी फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ आर्क. ये लेंथ पूछा है. सो हाउ यू विल गेट दिस लेंथ? यू नो द रेडियस, सो दिस बिकम्स रेडियस नाउ. इज इट ओके? इफ आई रोटेट दिस पेंडुलम सर्कुलर मध्ये, सो दिस बिकम्स द रेडियस. So 14 becomes my radius. So step number 1 is what? R is the 14 centimeter. Theta तो पता है, which is 18 degree. So step number 2 is what? S is equals to R into theta, which is nothing but 14 into 18 degree को क्या करोगे, अभी रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करना है. ये गया है 10 पे, ये गया 5 पे, ये गया 7 पे. So 7 pi by 5 is the centimeter. 7 pi by 5 is the answer. Is it okay everyone?
सर
हाँ बोला.
सर आपण रेडियस 40 सेंटीमीटर का घेतली?
कारण पेंडुलमची लेंथ ती त्यांनी दिलेली आहे की 14 सेंटीमीटर आहे म्हणून. बघा
सर ते तिथल्या तिथे फिरणार ना, मग ते असं अख्खं गोल कसं काय म्हणजे?
हा बघा, हा आता पेंडुलम झाला 14 सेंटीमीटरचा, आणि हा इथे फिक्स असतो, बरोबर ना?
हो सर.
ह्या पॉइंटला तो समजा दिस इज ओ अँड सपोज दिस पॉइंट इज पी, दिस पॉइंट इज पी, दिस ओ इज फिक्स्ड. आता पेंडुलम हा असा ऑसिलेट करतो, हे एकदा इकडून इकडे जाणार, मग इकडून पुन्हा तो इकडे येणार, बरोबर ना? हे असं सिसॉ मध्ये फिरत असतो तो.
हो सर.
जर समजा ह्याला मी कंप्लीट फिरवलं असं, तर हे असं होईल ना?
हो सर.
मग हा का झाला? दिस बिकम्स दी सर्कल, बट दिस मच इज दी व्हॉट? इट इज द सेक्टर. हा एवढा इट इज व्हॉट? इट इज दी पार्ट ऑफ अ सर्कल. सो दिस बिकम्स द सेक्टर. आर यू गेटिंग?
हो सर.
त्याच्यामुळे ते जे हे जे 14 दिलेलं आहे, दिस इज लेंथ ऑफ पेंडुलम, that we have taken as the radius, because this point is a fixed one. Circle is what? Definition of circle is what? The distance of a set of points which are at a same distance, from the fixed point. It is the locus of a point. So it is the locus of a point. If you take any point on this arc, these all points are at an equal distance from the origin you can say or from the fixed point you can say. Is it okay? त्याच्यामुळे हे आपल्याला 14 सेंटीमीटर घ्यावं लागतं. Let's take next one. How much time is remaining? 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, now tell me, who will give me the information? Yes, let's solve this. Step number 1 is what? Write down the given information. Who will give me? Rohit?
येस सर.
बोला, काय काय दिलं त्याने सांगा. S1 S2 R1 R2 काय काय दिलं सांगा.
सर त्यांनी दोन आर्कची लेंथ दिले, म्हणजे ते दोन आर्कची जी काही लेंथ आहे ती सेम आहे.
बरं,
त्यांनी त्यांचे थिटा दिलेत दोन. θ1 इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री आणि θ2 इज इक्वल टू 75 डिग्री.
बरं. θ1 इज इक्वल्स टू 60 डिग्री दिया है and θ2 is equals to 75 डिग्री दिया है. ओके, व्हेरी गुड.
आणि त्यांनी आपल्याला रेशो विचारले रेडियसचा त्यांच्या.
What is the ratio of the two circles? Okay, see here. Everyone see here. First, let's read this question. The two arcs of the same length means what? Two arcs means let's consider first arc is S1, second arc is S2. So what information they have given is S1 is equals to S2. बरोबर है? Two arcs of the same length subtends angle of 60 degree and 75 degree. So ये 60 degree θ1 हो गया, θ2 हो गया 75 degree. At the center of the two circles, what is the ratio of their radius? काय करणार? स्टेप नंबर 2 काय दिले त्याने? R1 बाय R2 कितना है वो पूछ रहे हैं. कसं काढणार हो? See, for any given question you require any two parameters. ठीक आहे, S is equals to R theta मध्ये तुम्हाला कुठलेही दोन पॅरामीटर्स पाहिजेत. Now in this question you know the theta and you know the S. So step number 3 is what? Let's use this S1 is equals to S2. S1 is equals to S2. So S1 म्हणजे काय? It's R1 theta 1 is equals to R2 theta 2 होईल का हो? Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
So let's have theta 1 by theta 2. हा theta 2 ला इकडे आणला, मग हा R1 ला इकडे आणा. So R2 by R1 होईल. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes.
काही
हो
नाही,
sir.
ह्या theta 2 ला इकडे घेऊन आला आणि हा R1 ला इकडे घेऊन आला. So implies theta 1 by theta 2 means what? It's a 60 degree divided by 75 degree equal to R2 by R1. Okay, let's convert this into the radians. किंवा तुम्ही याला इथेच तुम्ही कॅन्सल आउट करू शकता, नो प्रॉब्लेम. कितीने कॅन्सल होईल? 15 ने कॅन्सल होईल. 15 चौक 60 आणि हे 15 5 75. सो आणि हे डिग्री बाय डिग्री कॅन्सल हो गया. सो R2 by R1 is how much? It's a 4 by 5. So what is your answer is 4 by 5 is my answer. Okay, let's include this R1 R2 is. रेशियो ऑफ रेडियस कितना आ गया भाई? R2 by R1 कितना आ गया? 4 by 5. And one more thing, if you observe, we have taken, see, आता हे जी कन्सेप्ट सांगतोय ना मी, ते कन्सेप्ट तुम्हाला MCQच्या वेळेस खूप महत्त्वाचं आहे. कसं बघा इथे, two arcs of the same length subtends an angle of 60 degree and 75 degree. You have taken 60 degree as a theta 1 and 75 as theta 2. You have equated S1 and S2. In that case, R1 by R1 theta 1 and R2 theta. So in that case, what you will get is, you should write the answer should be in the R1 by R2. कारण आपण पहिला आणि दुसरा कंपेअर करतो, दुसरा आणि पहिला कंपेअर करत नाही, आपण पहिला अँड दुसरा कंपेअर करतो. Okay, so we have to write it in the terms of R1 by R2. So what will be the answer? It's a 5 by 4. उसका इन्वर्स कर दो. आता MCQ मध्ये असंच होतं एक्झॅक्टली. सी हियर, Option number 1 will be definitely 4 by 5 and option number B will be 5 by 4. Which answer you will take? Second one. Okay. A जर select केला तर definitely it's wrong, because what is the ratio of the radius of two circle? It means that we have to compare in this order only. 60 नंतर 75, R1 च्या नंतर R2 आपल्याला कन्सिडर करावं लागेल. Okay, let's take next one. Okay, and then this will be the last question. The area of a circle. Okay, who will help me? Nikita will help me in this question. Yes, Nikita, please do the needful. कशाला अंडरलाइन करायचं सांगा मला. प्लीज रीड द क्वेश्चन. येस प्लीज.
कोणती निकिता सर?
कोणीही सांगा, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही.
मी सांगू का?
सांगा.
पहिले एरिया ऑफ सर्कलला म्हणजे 25 पाय स्क्वेअर सेंटीमीटरला अंडरलाईन करायचं आणि खाली 144 डिग्री.
So step number 1 is what? It's a area of a circle they have given. Area of a circle, which is nothing but 25 pi. Then what you will say? Find the length of its arc subtending an angle of 144 degree. म्हणजे काय दिलं त्याने? Theta is equals to 144 degree दिलाय.
हो.
Next is what? Also find, मतलब find क्या है? लेंथ ऑफ इट्स आर्क. काय काय फाइंड करायचं ते पण लिहून घ्या. स्टेप नंबर 2 में क्या है? लेंथ ऑफ आर्क, मतलब वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट एस. अँड ऑल्सो फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द करस्पॉन्डिंग सेक्टर. अँड एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर पण काढायचं. भरपूर चांगला क्वेश्चन आहे. ओके, सो प्लीज टेल मी हाऊ यू विल सॉल्व दिस.
सर आधी लेंथ ऑफ इट्स आर्क फाइंड करावं लागेल ना?
बरं, मग लेंथ ऑफ आर्कसाठी तुम्हाला कुठले 2 पॅरामीटर्स लागतील?
थीटा आणि आर.
यस, एस इज इक्वल्स टू एक्झॅक्टली एस इज इक्वल्स टू आर इंटू थिटा रहता है. ठीक आहे. मग आता ह्याच्यासाठी मला थिटा माहिती पाहिजे आणि आर माहिती पाहिजे. थिटा त्यांनी दिलाय, मग आर कसं काढणार हो तुम्ही? दिस इज दी अनदर इन्फॉर्मेशन. सर्कलचा एरिया दिलाय 25
सर पहिले एरिया फाइंड करावं लागेल.
कशाचा?
ह्याचा
सेक्टरचा. सेक्टरच्या एरियामध्ये बघा, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर फॉर्म्युला लिखो, यू विल गेट द आयडिया. इट्स 1/2 थिटा इंटू आर स्क्वेअर. मग इथे पण तुम्हाला आर लागते ना. आयदर इट इज सेक्टर ऑर द आर्क लेंथ, यू रिक्वायर रेडियस.
आपल्याला आधीच एरिया दिलाय ना सर्कलचा.
एक्झॅक्टली. मग ह्याच्यावरून काय करणार तुम्ही?
आधी मग एरिया ऑफ सर्कलने त्याचं ते रेडियस फाइंड करावं लागेल ना.
एक्झॅक्टली.
आणि मग
एरिया ऑफ अ सर्कल हाऊ मच? इट्स अ पाय आर स्क्वेअर. इट इज इक्वल्स टू 25 पाय. सो पाय गेट्स कैंसल. मग आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 25 है, तो आर कितना हो गया बॉस?
5.
कैन आई टेक -5 हियर? नो, ऑफ कोर्स नॉट, बिकॉज आर इज व्हॉट? इट्स अ लेंथ. लेंथ नेगेटिव्ह नसतं. ठीक आहे. आता हा आर भेटला आपल्याला सेंटीमीटर, 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो सबस्टिट्यूट हियर एस इज इक्वल्स टू अँड सेट एरिया इज इक्वल्स टू. सो लेट्स टेक हियर. सो अरे बाबा, बरे जा ना, खूप त्रास देतो बरं. ओके, सो एस इज इक्वल्स टू आर इज हाऊ मच? इट्स अ 5 सेंटीमीटर इंटू थिटा इज हाऊ मच? इट्स 144 डिग्री. So 144 degree. Can I keep this in a degree? No, I should write in terms of radian. Okay, so it should be 180 degree. Okay, please do solve this and do simplify this. This is what you get the answer for this. Next, area of circle will be the same. Area of sector will be the same. It is equals to 1/2. Theta is how much? It's 144 into pi by 180 into r square, which is 5 square. Okay, please solve this. I hope you will solve this, everyone.
हो सर.
Okay, do simplification. So I hope the time is over. So with this we will stop here. If you have any doubt, okay, I will send you few questions for homework. With these 6 questions you have to solve the remaining questions which I will send you. Is it okay everyone?
Okay.
हो
Okay,
सर.
chalo, thank you, bye bye, okay, bye.